Hi, I'm Natalya Drozhzhin. I am with Mom's Dish and I am here in Beefy What's for Dinner Culinary Center. Today we will share all the Beefy tricks and tips that you need to know for your home kitchen. So when you're hosting a party, you want to be prepped and actually having fun with your guests and entertaining them. So what I like to do is meal prep in advance as much as possible. This is a great dish for that. We have meatballs that are filled with cheese on the inside and then they're wrapped and baked again. You can bake it right before, so you can do all the prepping in advance, bake it when your guests arrive, and you have a beautiful warm dish that they can just grab and enjoy. Beef is great for making finger foods because you can make a dish like this in advance, and when you have a crowd coming in, it's just perfect because you're just grabbing it and enjoying it, and it's mess-free and you don't have to worry about utensils and plates and just serve it just like so. And if you have a favorite dish like burgers or Philly cheesesteak, you can actually turn it into sliders for easier, smaller portions. Even tacos, you can make tiny little tacos and it would be perfect for that as well. And if you are throwing a tailgating party, you can actually reheat this on a grill, keeping beef moist with the cheesy goodness on the inside and so crispy on the outside. For tailgating, I also love making carne asada because we can make a huge tray and everybody kind of makes their own like taco or burrito or whatever they want to make, or even build their own salad with some carne asada on top and different toppings, customize it to their own liking. And my kids actually love sliders, so we make a lot of the sliders as well, so they're like perfect for small tiny bites. And if you are looking for more tips and tricks, you can find them on beefitswhatsfordinner.com.